Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll solve the Math No Calculator section of the October 2020 EST. So let's begin. The magnitude of the electrostatic force F between 2-point charges in vacuum is given by F is equal to Q1 Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R squared, where these are the terms defined. Isolate R. So I can say 4 pi epsilon naught R squared is Q1 Q2 divided by F. So R squared is Q1 Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught F. So R is square root of Q1 Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught F. Now, if I take out 4 outside the square root, then I can write it as 1 by 2 square root of Q1 Q2 divided by pi epsilon naught F. So 1 by 2 square root of Q1 Q2 divided by pi epsilon naught F, option C. If the charges are to be separated by a distance of 3r, an electrostatic force F1 is created. What is the relationship between F1 and F? So F is Q1 Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R squared, and F1 is Q1 Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 3R squared, right? So that's Q1 Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 9R squared. So that is the whole term is the same as F except for 1 by 9. So this is 1 by 9 times F. So F1 is F by 9, option D. The above expression can be written in the form of a rational number K. What is the value of K? Okay, so square root of 1.25 into square root of 1.8. So that's square root of 125 by 100 into 18 by 10, right? So let's solve this. 25 fours are, 25 fives are, 5 into 2, 2 into 9. So square root of 9 by 4 is 3 by 2. So that's B. In the xy plane, the equation of the line passing through this point and perpendicular to this line is what? So 3x minus 2y is 6. The slope is going to be negative 3 by negative 2, which is 3 by 2, because the slope of ax plus by is c is minus a by b, right? So that's why it's 3 by 2. So the slope of line D would be negative 2 by 3 because this line and D are perpendicular, and perpendicular line slopes are negative reciprocals of one another. So slope of line D is negative 2 by 3, and line D passes through the point 1, 3. So y minus 3 is minus 2 by 3 x minus 1, which is minus 2 by 3x plus 2 by 3. So y is minus 2 by 3x plus 2 by 3 plus 3. So y is minus 2 by 3x plus 11 by 3, right? So that's option D. Jack and John are meeting at a restaurant. The scheme above represents the drives from their offices to the restaurant. Which of the following statement is true? Okay, so they take the same time to reach the restaurant, and John drives a distance d1 and Jack drives a distance d2, and d1 is less than d2. So d1 is the speed of John times t, that is less than d2, which is speed of Jack times t. So t and t cancel. So speed of John should be less than speed of Jack. Okay, it took Jack longer to arrive. No, they took the same time. It took John longer to arrive. No. John drove to the pub at a faster speed. No, slower speed. Jack drove to the pub at a faster speed. So D. Which value of x makes this equation true? So 7 by 5 into 3x minus 2 is 14. So 7 cancels here. So 3x minus 2 is 5 into 2, 10. So 3x is 12. So x is 4. So C. A scatter plot shows a strong positive correlation between two variables, A graphed on the x-axis and B graphed on the y-axis. Okay, so A is here and B is here, and the scatter plot shows a positive correlation. Which of the following statements is justified? The rise in A caused the rise in B. The rise in B caused the rise in A. No, this is causation, right? Causation is not established by correlation. So A and B are correlated, but we don't know about causation. A and B are correlated, but causation is unknown. Yeah, so this is right. A and B rise proportionally. No, that's not necessary, because let's say the correlation is like this, then I can see that B is proportional to A squared, right? So positive correlation does not have to be linear. So C is the best answer. A game consists of throwing a dart into a target divided into two sections. The inner section rewards a player with 5 points. Okay, so, and the outer section gets him 3 points only. Kurt throws 6 darts and hits the inner section X times. What is his total score? Okay, so he throws 6 darts, so he gets the inner section X times. So he gets the outer section 6 minus X times. So for the inner X, he gets 5X, and for the outer, he gets 3 times 6 minus X. So his total score is 5X plus 3 times 6 minus X. So 5X plus 18 minus 3X. So 2X plus 18. Option B. Okay, we survey 125 employees at random from each of the two companies labeled A and B and separated into groups based on how many siblings they have. The results are shown in the table. What is the median number of siblings of the sample of employees at company B? Okay, so 125 employees, right? So the median value will be for 263rd employee, right? So 25, 40, 65, right? So 1 is the median value. Okay, which measure of center is the same in both companies? Okay, so range for A would be highest value is 4 and lowest is 0. So 4 minus 0, which is 4. And range for B is also 4. Yeah, so this is the right answer. Let's just verify. Mean. Okay, so mean for the first one would be 15 into 0, 45, 60, 75, 40. So 5 and 5, 10, 0, carry 1. 4 and 1, 5 and 6, 11, and 4, 15 and 7, 22. So 220 divided by 125 is the mean for A, and 0, 40, 50, 45, 80. So 5 and 4 and 5, 9 and 4, 13 and 8, 21. Yeah, so 215 divided by 125. So the means are not same. Okay, median is the 63rd value. So 63rd value is 1 for company B. So this is the median for B. and 60. Yeah, so median for A is 2 because the 63rd value comes here. So this is not same. And mode is the one that occurs most often. So mode for A is 1 because 45. And mode for B is also 1. So even the mode is the same for both, right? So this has two answers. How is that possible? A and D. Okay, let's come back to this. If fx is this and gx is this, what is the value of f of g negative 1? So let's first find g of negative 1. Minus 3 minus of minus 1. Minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2. And let's find f of minus 2, which is minus 2 whole squared minus 5 times minus 2 minus 6. So 4 plus 10 minus 6. So 14 minus 6, 8. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to this? Okay, so yeah, I think we'll just do the long division. Yeah, so x cube minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by x minus 3. So x squared, x cube minus 3x squared. So minus and plus, so this and this cancels. Okay, so then I have 2x minus 1. So this becomes plus 2. So 2x minus 6. So this becomes 5, right? So I get x squared plus 2 plus 5 divided by x minus 3. So option B. The graph C of the function fx is a parabola. If the line x equal to k is the axis of symmetry, what is the value of k? Okay, so what are the x-intercepts? Minus 2 and 6. Right, so this is how my parabola will look. Right. So the axis of symmetry will be the midpoint of the x-intercepts. So that's 6 minus 2, 4 by 2 is 2. So x equal to 2 is the axis of symmetry. So k is 2. If this is true, which of the following proportions is equivalent? 1 by x minus y is 3 by 5y. So 5y is 3 x minus 3y. So 5 plus 3, 8y is 3x. So y by x is 3 by 8. So x by y is 8 by 3. Option B. In 2017, the number of people who had access to the internet in a country was 3.2 million. If this number grows at a rate of 18% each year, which expression describes the number of people y in million having access to the internet x years after 2070? Okay, so this is exponential function. So final value is initial value into growth factor to the power time. So initial value is 3.2. Growth factor is 1 plus r over 100. So 1 plus 18%. So that's 1.18. So y will be 3.2 times 1.18 to the power x. So option D. Okay, if the values in the table above represent a linear relationship, what is the missing value? So let's first find the equation. So the slope will be minus 7 plus 1 divided by 5 minus 2. So minus 6 by 3. So the slope is negative 2. So I can say I can use this pair of points. So y plus 1 is negative 2x minus 2. So that is negative 2x plus 4. So y is negative 2x plus 3. Right? So this is my equation. So when x is negative 3, y would be negative 2 into negative 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, which is 9. So the answer is 9. In the above graph, the shaded region is the solution of this system. For x equal to 0, what is the highest integer value of y? Okay, so this line is y equal to negative 2, so the region above. And this line would be 4x plus y equal to 2, so the region below. Now x equal to 0 is the y-axis. So I'm looking at the y-axis. So the highest integer value of y, okay, so it can't be 2 because 2 is not included in the solution region, right? It is less than 2, not less than equal. So 2 itself can't be the answer, so it's 1. 1 is the highest integer value for y for x equal to 0. Okay, based on the above graph, if the absolute maximum and minimum of the represented function fx are this and this, what is the value of this? Okay, so absolute maximum is this, so that's minus 2 comma 4. And absolute minimum is this, which is minus 1 comma negative 3. So P is negative 2, Q is 4, R is negative 1, and S is negative 3, right? So Q minus P plus S minus R, 4 minus of minus 2 plus minus 3 minus of minus 1. So 4 plus 2, 6, minus 3 plus 1, 7 minus 3, 4. What is the value of this? 2 to the power 5 into 16 is 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 4. 64 is 2 to the power 6 whole cube. So 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 16 divided by 2 to the power 18. So 2 to the power 5 plus 16 minus 18. So 21 minus 18. So 2 cube, which is 8. If the expression this is written in the form of a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers and I is the square root of negative 1, what is the value of a? Okay, so 2i squared is minus 2 minus 3i divided by 1 minus 2i. And to write it in the form a plus bi, I will have to multiply this with the complement of the denominator. So 1 plus 2i and 1 plus 2i. So minus 2 minus 4i minus 3i and minus 6i squared divided by 1 minus 4i squared. Now minus 6i squared is plus 6. So minus 2 plus 6 is 4 minus 7i divided by 1 plus 4, which is 5. So 4 by 5 minus 7 by 5i, right? So A is 4 by 5 and B is minus 7 by 5. So A answer is 4 by 5. Okay, let's grade this. This is October 2020 math. Starting from question 1. C, D, B, D, D. C, D, B, D, D. 6, C, C, B, A, D. C, C, B, A, D. Okay, so this they are giving as D, but the range is also the same, right? The range is 4. for both sets. So I think, yeah, both should work. Okay, 11 BABBD, BABBD, 16 914 914 and 8 4 by 5. 8 4 by 5. Okay, so that is the October 2020 NoCal for EST1. Hope this helped. If it did, hit like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Take care. Bye bye.